Hey guys! So we are at the Batu cave. It is definitely the most popular spot in Kuala Lumpur.
The painting of the stairs, although it's very beautiful, was actually very controversial because the temple committee needed to get permission from the National Heritage Department before painting them, but they did not do that and they went ahead and painted them anyways. So there was talk about taking the Batu caves off the heritage list, the registry. In spite of it being actually very controversial and maybe illegal, it made Batu caves extremely popular, like even more, and it's a very famous Instagram spot.
Yeah, it's super popular now. I think most of you guys have seen at least one photo on Instagram on the stair. It's only like 200 something steps, but they're very steep. Yeah, I actually kind of ran out of breath by the time I got to the top. Yeah.
Oh, I ran out of breath way before.
We went all the way to the top. It's really beautiful up there. There's like a little opening at the end, like you can look at the sky, natural light coming in.
The temple inside is said to be about 100 years old, and these limestone formations are about 400 million years old. So that's incredible. Oh, we had another stop in mind, the Titiwangsa Lake Gardens. I actually don't know much about that place. I just looked up really quickly what the other things to do around here, and it just looks like it'd be like a really nice, pretty garden, park type of thing.
Okay guys, so we are now headed to Titiwangsa Lake Garden. Make sure to hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe, and we'll see you at the garden. Hey guys, so it turns out the whole place is closed due to renovation, and the Grab driver just dropped us off at this like
It looks like a stable, like a farm.
Some kind of a stable where you can do horse ride, I think. I saw one horse. Yeah.
I mean, I read online on the reviews that part of the gardens are under renovation, but I heard that other parts of it are open, so I thought, okay, yeah, we'll check out the open part. But we just talked to the security guard over there, and he said the whole garden is closed. I don't know. It's so pretty though.
Yeah, it looks really nice inside.
But I can see the little barricade. Yeah, it's like literally
all around.
covering all around.
Yeah. I'm like so tempted to go through here.
We could fit.
No, we're not that kind of tourist. Okay, so man,
do you want to try going to the other side of the...
like walk around? Yeah. But there's not even a sidewalk. You saw over there, like it's just a road. It's just a road. So I don't know.
Give us a second, guys.
We'll be right back. So yeah, we found a restaurant called DJI Kuala Lumpur. I was just told that we can actually go through the restaurant to inside the park, but it's only partially open inside. So let's see what it looks like inside. Let's check it out. Thank you. This is a really nice restaurant.
It's like more like an event hall.
Yeah.
Weddings and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think they can hold a lot of people. Whoa! The floor sunk. Dude, it's like mosquito heaven. Yeah.
tried. We
Yeah.
really tried to find.
This is some abandoned area. Like that door could be locked on us any minute.
Yeah.
We could be locked out here, in here. I don't even know how to call it. It's definitely going under some renovation, and I don't know when they'll be open again. It looks really beautiful
Yeah.
from the little part we saw. It's a shame we couldn't really enjoy the area. Yeah, sorry we couldn't really show you this place around. Maybe next time we visit Kuala Lumpur, we'll come back to see what changed or what it actually looks like. But thank you so much for watching our video today. If you liked our video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. And check our Instagram for beautiful photos and daily stories. We'll see you guys next time in Penang. Penang.
Bye.
Bye.